Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the 2025 Fiat Tipo Diesel continues Fiat's tradition of delivering practical, efficient, and stylish cars aimed at drivers who prioritize value, comfort, and reliability. The Tipo range, first introduced in 1988 and reborn in 2015, has consistently been positioned as an accessible, no-nonsense offering, and the 2025 model refines this concept further. In terms of design, the Tipo Diesel offers a refreshed look that balances simplicity and sophistication. It features a bold front grille with the new Fiat logo prominently displayed, flanked by sharp LED headlights that add a modern touch. The car's body lines are clean and aerodynamic, giving it a dynamic stance whether you opt for the hatchback or the station wagon variant. Subtle chrome accents and alloy wheels complete the exterior, giving it an understated yet premium feel. Inside, the 2025 Tipo Diesel offers an upgraded cabin experience with higher quality materials and a focus on functionality. Soft touch surfaces, improved seat ergonomics, and a more intuitive layout enhance comfort on longer drives. Fiat has invested in better insulation, significantly reducing road and engine noise, which is particularly important in a diesel-powered car. The Uconnect infotainment system is standard across most trims, featuring a crisp 7 to 10-inch touchscreen, depending on the variant. This system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that drivers can stay connected without distraction. A digital instrument cluster, a rare feature in this segment, provides customizable displays that show essential information clearly and attractively. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiat Tipo Diesel is powered by the trusted 1.6 Multijet II turbo diesel engine, offering around 130 horsepower and 320 nanometers of torque. This engine is renowned for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low CO2 emissions, all of which meet the latest Euro 6D final standards. The powertrain is mated to either a smooth 6-speed manual transmission or an optional dual-clutch automatic, providing flexibility depending on driving preference. The diesel engine's performance is well suited for both city commuting and highway cruising, delivering a refined drive with enough torque to make overtaking and hill climbs effortless. Fuel economy is a key strength for the Tipo Diesel, with real-world figures often exceeding 20 km per liter, depending on driving conditions. This frugality makes it an excellent choice for high-mileage drivers or fleet operators looking to minimize operating costs. The diesel variant also benefits from an upgraded suspension setup that provides a good balance between comfort and control. The steering is light yet precise, making urban maneuvering simple while offering enough feedback on open roads to keep driving engaging. In terms of safety, the 2025 Tipo Diesel is equipped with a comprehensive suite of features. Standard equipment includes forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, providing additional reassurance. The Tipo's chassis has also been optimized to perform well in crash tests, offering strong protection to occupants. Practicality has always been a hallmark of the Fiat Tipo, and the 2025 diesel model continues this tradition with a spacious interior and a large boot capacity. The hatchback version offers around 440 liters of trunk space, while the station wagon variant pushes this to over 550 liters, expandable by folding the rear seats flat. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making it a comfortable option for families or those who frequently carry passengers. The rear doors open wide, aiding entry and exit, while plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin ensure that daily clutter is easily managed. Fiat has also introduced eco-friendly materials into the Tipo's construction, with recycled plastics used in several interior components as part of the brand's broader environmental commitment. Additionally, the diesel engine is engineered to accommodate synthetic fuels, further reducing its environmental impact compared to traditional diesel engines. Ownership costs for the Fiat Tipo Diesel are expected to remain low, thanks to its robust engine, affordable servicing, and excellent fuel economy. Fiat offers competitive warranty packages and maintenance plans, providing additional peace of mind. The Tipo's popularity across Europe ensures a strong availability of parts and knowledgeable service centers, further contributing to its appeal as a practical long-term investment. Driving the 2025 Fiat Tipo Diesel is a reminder of what made Fiat successful in the first place, offering honest, well-built cars that deliver exactly what everyday drivers need without unnecessary gimmicks. It does not chase trends or pretend to be something it is not. Instead, it focuses on delivering a straightforward, satisfying driving and ownership experience. Whether for individual motorists, small businesses, or fleet buyers, the Fiat Tipo Diesel remains one of the most sensible and dependable choices in its class. Thanks for watching.